So it's Tuesday the 16th and today we're doing the electrics, helping put the electrics in. So starting off in the little bedroom here, and I've just fed, I was feeling so clever, fed the wires through, so a bit left at the bottom. So that's good, so only goodness knows how many to go. And then the bathroom has come out, so the shower's been taken out, and so have all the tiles, as you can see. So we've got to leave the toilet and the sink in at the moment because we've still got to have some water running, but everything else is back remover. And why Howard's up in the attic enjoying himself. In the kitchen, we've had an estimate for the conservatory that's going to go in here, which is about a third of the other one. And I've been doing the good bit, choosing the flooring. So got a few samples and tiles and things. But disaster struck this morning when I came to make a cup of coffee and the milk had gone off. I mean, it's just dreadful. Apart from that, it's just a mess. But at least it's not as cold as it was the other day, because it was freezing in here. And my fingers and my toes were colder than an ice rink early in the morning. And that's saying something. So a lot of work to do, but we're going to grind to a halt. And sadly, I've got to go back to school next week. So, oh, I was up there enjoying his little self. Oh, he's coming down. I shouldn't laugh. But it's quite funny. Especially Lou tripping herself going backwards. But always fun when you see a man going down the stairs. Stop laughing. There he comes. The hero returns. Did you enjoy that?
Well, Mrs. Bougainville, please do the tasking pan.
I'm being summoned to go back to work, so I better go. So it's Friday, and just had the gas meter moved from in the corner, which was a 1950s gas meter, horrible thing, to a new spanking, much smaller looking one. So that's good, ready for when the units go in. And we've been cleaning up today, so this is all coming down next week. So this will be demolished. This door, which has been widened, obviously, has, let's take my mask off, might be easier to talk. It's been widened, so make a flow. We've been emptying this room out. It's still quite dusty. And evidently relocated to this room, so all the tools are in here. And we can lock this door, so that's quite good. And nothing really to report except had a bit of a clean up. It was pretty messy, so go and see what Paul's been doing. And And the wonderful Paul, who is just showing his bottom, has managed to get you managed to get the root out, so that's good.
What's Nelly doing there? You said you showed Nelly.
Yep.
Nelly gonna see this?
Yes, Nelly is going to see
Nelly,
this.
I pulled my finger out. So what are we doing? Get on with it.
He'll be pleased to hear that. Do you want to give him a little wave?
Hi Nelly. Hi Mrs. Nelly. Kate, wasn't it? Was it Kate?
No.
Kate and Neil?
Yeah.
Don't put my foot in it.
Don't put your foot in it. No, don't do that. So the front garden is more or less clear now, so that's nice. So many good jobs. We've got a large root to get rid of. So
Where's this going exactly?
it's going on Facebook.
Oh my word.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
So we're down the driveway. I'll just show you a bit of our lovely garage when I'm here. So if I get up on next door's driveway, you can see the state of the roof, which is obviously gone. So we've got a new garage coming in April. The bathroom has arrived. Well, I'm sure it's a bathroom. So that's the bathroom waiting to go in. And we've got a shredder ready for Paul to use. And Bert has been draining our pond. Paul's doing it at the moment. Howard's doing it at the moment, so. We found quite a few newts in here, which have been relocated to the next door neighbour, who have also got a pond. So that's quite nice. Where's Bert gone?
I think it's probably next up for their car.
Oh, right.
I did mention it.
So, is it working?
Oh, it works, yeah. I just, with the hand was jump. It's clogged up.
So you're going to relocate some of these?
Sorry?
You're going to relocate some of these?
Going to do what's that?
Relocate some of the lilies and stuff?
Yeah, not many though.
Yeah.
Not too many to do a lot with. That should go right. Is it coming on to the end there?
Not yet.
Should be.
Well, it's not. There's no kinks in it. I'm not putting my face over the end to find out.
No, it's alright, don't worry. I think the impeller's
It's Monday again, and back here, just have a quick look at what's been happening. And we've now got the electrical wires in their casing, and now ready to chisel out the walls for the central heating. It's mighty cold in here. Bathroom is out. Not much else happened in there, and this one is a big chisel out, and we've come in contact with a nice beam at the top, so I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. Mess at the bottom, so it's a bit dark. And into the kitchen, and ready for the spotlights. Not exciting, well, not for me anyway, but that's been done. And ready with all the wires in here. So we're waiting for the inspector to come. Oh, we've taken, well, I haven't, I've just supervised. The wall has been cut back, so making way for the extension. And the latest plan is we are having an extension and not a conservatory. So that would be better. And it's going to have a roof lantern, which I think would make it look really nice, which is what I wanted in the first place. In the garden, which I might not go out to, it's been cleared, and a lot more of the pondweed. Apparently it's about 3 foot deep, so goodness knows what's been happening out there. And then back in here, so not much to report, not much I can do, but next week we've got the extensions is starting, the gas is going to go in, and then after that, that's going to take most of the week. Then we've got the plasterer coming in, so that would be fantastic. so it'll start looking like a finished place again. There you go.
Yeah.
It's going. That'll gradually come down and come down.
Trouble is so much crap in the bottle, something to back up.
Yeah, it is. I'll clean it out again.
I've just done it twice.
Oh, have you?
About a bucket and a piece of rope.
No, it's going to take time. It will take time. Yeah.
I need to bring my big one over.
No.